This is going to blow your mind. Trump returns to the White House. Donald Trump defied the odds in the polls to win the 2024 presidential election. He defeated incumbent Kamala Harris, securing a second non-consecutive term. This historic victory marks only the second time a Republican has won the popular vote since 1988. Trump's victory sent shockwaves across the nation and the world, leaving many wondering what his second presidency will mean for America and the global order. The election results were far from a landslide. Trump secured a narrow victory, winning slightly less than 50% of the total vote. His margin over Harris was a mere 1.6%, one of the slimmest in American history. Despite the tight race, Trump claimed a powerful mandate from the American people. He promised to make America great again, echoing the slogan that propelled him to victory in 2016. Wall Street cheers, Main Street worries, immediate economic reactions. Financial markets reacted swiftly to Trump's victory. The stock market surged, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average experiencing a significant uptick. Investors, heartened by the prospect of pro-business policies, seemed optimistic about the future. However, this jubilation wasn't universally shared. Many economists expressed concern about the long-term economic implications of a second Trump presidency. The immediate economic impact of Trump's victory was a mix of excitement and anxiety. While Wall Street celebrated, Main Street remained more cautious. Small business owners, still reeling from the economic fallout of the COVID-19 pandemic, were uncertain about what a Trump presidency would mean for their livelihoods. The economic divide, already stark, seemed poised to widen further. Tax cuts and trade wars, Trump's economic playbook, Part 2. Trump, in his victory speech, hinted at a familiar economic playbook: tax cuts and deregulation. These were hallmarks of his first term, and their return was met with mixed reactions. Supporters argued these policies would unleash economic growth and create jobs. Critics countered that they would primarily benefit the wealthy and exacerbate income inequality. Trump also signaled a return to his protectionist trade policies. Throughout his campaign, he railed against unfair trade deals, particularly with China. He threatened to impose new tariffs and renegotiate existing agreements. This sparked fears of a trade war, which could disrupt global supply chains and harm the American economy. Inflation fears and job market hopes, a delicate balance. One of the most pressing economic concerns facing the incoming Trump administration is inflation. Prices for goods and services have been steadily rising, eroding consumer purchasing power. Economists worry that Trump's proposed policies, particularly tax cuts and increased government spending, could further fuel inflation. However, there is a glimmer of hope in the job market. Despite the economic uncertainty, unemployment remains relatively low. Trump's focus on manufacturing and energy could potentially create new jobs in these sectors. The challenge for Trump will be to address inflation without stifling job growth. This will require a delicate, balancing act. Section 5. Bitcoin to the moon. Crypto responds to Trump's return. Trump's victory sent ripples through the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, the world's most popular cryptocurrency, experienced a surge in price. Some investors view Bitcoin as a hedge against economic instability, and Trump's unpredictable nature may have fueled this rally. However, the long-term impact of a Trump presidency on the crypto market remains uncertain. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies in the United States is still evolving. The SEC introduced new guidelines for cryptocurrency exchanges in July 2023, aiming to increase transparency and investor protection. It's unclear how a Trump administration will approach crypto regulation. Some speculate a more hands-off approach, while others fear a crackdown. Section 6. Gaetz for Attorney General, Cabinet Rumors and Controversies. As Trump assembles his cabinet, rumors swirl about potential appointments. One name that has sparked controversy is Matt Gaetz, a Florida congressman and staunch Trump ally. Gaetz is reportedly being considered for Attorney General, a move that has drawn criticism from both Democrats and some Republicans. Gaetz has been embroiled in scandal, facing allegations of misconduct. The potential appointment of Gaetz highlights the challenges Trump faces in building his administration. His desire to reward loyalists clashes with the need to assemble a competent and experienced team. The coming weeks will reveal the shape of Trump's cabinet and provide insights into his governing priorities. Section 7. Official Trump victory glass cashing in on the comeback. Never one to miss a marketing opportunity, Trump and his campaign are capitalizing on his victory with a slew of merchandise. From Trump 2024 hats to Make America Great Again flags supporters can proudly display their allegiance. One item generating buzz is the official Trump victory glass, a commemorative glass etched with Trump's image and the words 47th and 49th President. The marketing of Trump merchandise underscores the former president's enduring appeal to his base. It also highlights the savvy business acumen that has been a hallmark of his career. Trump's supporters are eager to celebrate his return to power, and they're willing to open their wallets to do so. Section 8. A nation divided, the political landscape after Trump's triumph. Trump's victory comes at a time of deep political division in the United States. His rhetoric and policies have alienated many Americans while galvanizing his base of support. The 2024 election did little to bridge this divide. In fact, it may have deepened it. Despite his victory, Trump's mandate remains tenuous. He faces a deeply divided Congress and a nation grappling with multiple crises, from climate change to economic inequality. The coming years will test Trump's leadership and determine whether he can unite a fractured nation. Section 9. The future under Trump 2.0 - Uncertainty and Opportunity. Donald Trump's return to the White House marks a new chapter in American history. His second presidency will be shaped by the lessons learned from his first term and the challenges that lie ahead. The future under Trump 2.0 is uncertain, but one thing is clear: it will be anything but boring. Only time will tell how Trump's second presidency will unfold. Will he be a pragmatist or a provocateur? Will he govern from the center or the fringes? The answers to these questions will have profound implications for America and the world.